and Beaus, welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer of Custom Chic, and if you're new here, let me be the first to welcome you. My channel focuses on fashion, travel, and just overall lifestyle. And if that is the kind of content that you are into, then I would encourage you to subscribe, share, like, definitely hit that bell notification so you know each time I upload a video, which is every Wednesday and every Friday. If you don't do so already, make sure you also follow me on Instagram. My handle is customs_chic. And today we are doing a daily vlog. If some of you already know, you've already been subscribed to this channel, you know I have been wearing braces for forever and a day. Actually, it was like 2 years, but now they're gone. So I'm actually going to get my teeth cleaned and whitened. I'm bringing you guys along with me. I am working after that. I do have to make one pit stop at Ross, so I will bring you guys along with me for that. I'm gonna shoot a reel, first reel ever, and maybe I'll bring you guys behind the scenes. So I need to pick up something for that in Ross, and then I am gonna go to dinner tonight. So let's get vlogging. So I am filming with my phone because my camera is in transit from Chicago to Houston. I actually left my camera at the Saks Fifth Avenue in Chicago, and because I leave for Houston in a couple of days, it just didn't make sense for it to come here. But I wanted to show you guys my outfit really quickly before going to the dentist's office, and I am just wearing this super cute dress. I picked this up from Ross. I have featured this before. I don't remember the name of the designer or the brand. You guys know mostly things that you find at Ross is like a needle in a haystack, right? Sometimes they have multiple items, but it's not produced in mass quantity, or it's not sold in mass quantity that you can get it that way. But I love it, easy breezy. I mean, it's like 80 something degrees here in Orlando, so it's not it's not cold at all. Fall has not arrived here. So, all right, let's get going because I don't want to be late. Okay, y'all, so teeth bleaching is done. Finito. Sorry, this is, okay. So this is me. I was super excited. I wanted to go to Ross, but what I did not anticipate is how sensitive my teeth would be. So I really just want to kind of go home. I ran into the local Walmart right next to the dental place, grabbed some Advil, and now I need to get some lunch because I'm hungry. But my post Zoom, so I got my teeth clean and then I got the Zoom whitening. So it was 4 15-minute increments of teeth bleaching. So they stuck all of this stuff around my teeth to make sure that my gums were safe. And then from there, I just sat with this UV light like directly over my mouth, and then it did the bleaching thing. So apparently this bleaching process will continue for about 24 to 48 hours. And apparently Zoom whitens or bleaches from the inside out. So while my teeth are white right now, they should be getting whiter. So tomorrow they should be whiter than they are today. And I am taking pictures just to make sure that I keep these people accountable. Yes, that is my computer because all we do is work around here. Okay, so I was looking at the instructions because I wanted to get something to eat. I was like really in the mood for a Five Guys burger, but I looked down and it says I can't have ketchup. Okay, I'm not a person who can eat potatoes without ketchup, so I can't have French fries without ketchup. So we're gonna take that out. I can have it with mayonnaise, but I also don't want a burger without ketchup, so that's out. I thought, oh, well, I can get pizza. Again, tomato sauce, that's gonna stain. So right now, I am parked outside of my local Publix, trying to figure out, should I get sushi or should I go into the Publix and just like grab a salad, which that's probably really healthy and everything, but I don't want that. That's not what I want for lunch. So I'm going to see if they have one of those like pre-made ready meals, or I'm going to see what they have at their hot bar and then go from there. So you guys know what Publix is, right? It's just a regular grocery store. Yeah, I'm not taking you inside Publix. It doesn't make any sense. I'll just show you what I have when I come back and we'll kind of have lunch together. All right, y'all, I am home. I have since changed, sitting down in my little spot for the day. This is where I decided I'm going to commit and do my work. I actually opted for some comfort food just because I'm still getting kind of like these little zingers where my mouth is just feeling sensitive on like any random tooth. It's like no rhyme or reason to it, and I couldn't really tell you why. So I got some fried chicken, baked Gouda mac and cheese, and some collard greens from Publix. I just felt like getting some comfort food, so we'll see what it tastes like. It's looking a little parched. So wish me luck. I will come back on later on this afternoon. I'm gonna end it here while I'm having lunch and gonna like really do some work. And so I'll probably do that for the next couple of hours. And then I do plan to either shoot a reel today or prepare my stuff to shoot a reel tomorrow. I need to shoot 2 reels by next week. So hopefully it kind of works with the schedule that I'm vlogging, and I'll do this with you all. If not, you will see me probably getting ready or being super ready before we go to dinner. And so, yeah, I mean, I would turn the computer around and see, like, let you guys watch me work, but because I deal with kind of sensitive, confidential information, that would be all kinds of violations. So I'm not going to do that. But check out Willow. Look at Willow back there thriving. She's growing, right? Yep, right there. There she is. I actually need to repot her into a bigger pot because she's getting so big and she's kind of suffocating in that pot over there. So, yeah. All right. So time for lunch. I'm going to see y'all in a little bit. Okay guys, so I am done and ready for dinner. Unfortunately, I could not get ready with you guys because I was running behind. Story of my life. I am wearing a faux vegan leather top from Express. It's got these like these like exaggerated sleeve. Very Isabel Marantish, but not for nothing. I am feeling like very Alexander McQueenish in this. So faux leather looking pants from Boohoo, and I'm gonna fix this up so my shirt is not doing a bunch of ruching right here in the middle. And then just to add a pop of color, I am wearing my YSL pumps. I can't remember what they're called right now. And since I'm running behind, I will see y'all at dinner. I am here. I'm not late because Cynthia's coming at the same time. So yeah, we're gonna get seated and then we are going to have a good dinner. She's telling me where to go. Thank you. Come to the right side of the wall. Come in. Oh. All right. It's dinner time. I found her. Hi, Dollface.
Hi, boo.
Mwah. Whoa. Delicious.
Enjoy the pan.
Thank you. Oh, it's all coming at the same time now.
They know. Post haste, post haste.
Definitely.
One night in Bangkok.
Yeah, that's definitely much better. I'm super excited about this. Look at this little paprika. Ooh.
I started mine a long time ago.
Look at that color.
Look at you.
Yes.
That color. Okay guys, so we are done with dinner. It was amazing, and that's it for today's vlog. If you stuck around this long, you definitely know what to do. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell button so you know each time I upload a video, which is every Wednesday and every Friday.
Watch them all. Watch all of them.
They're all so good. So bye Joey, bye Joshua, bye Asani.
Bye.
I have no idea if they can see this or not. So that was dinner. It was really fun.
It was. We stayed on Bougette.
We did. Oh my gosh, can you help us? This is so bad. We're like try to like close out the dinner.
All right.